Sino may mga itsura na agad.
Ganda.
Feeling ganda. Yun yung feeling mo.
Feeling good. Of course, feel G sa akin parang may na-envision ako family, parang sense of togetherness. Ganon. Just like us, parang kung may kulang, hindi siya parang kumpleto. Malamang. Yeah, tama. Parang yun po yung for me.
Yeah. And for us, I think bilang isang, diba, isang family, we like to spend quality time together. Isang number ay to eat together, especially your favorite village pizza.
Feeling great. Yung sa akin. Feeling great with great pizza and great company. Oh. Okay ba?
Di, para sa akin siguro, ang feel different is yung connection, of course, kapag magkakasama. Kasama rin ng Grinch, yung pizza. Kasi dami ko rin nagawang memories with the Grinch pizza with my friends, nung high school ako. So, yung connection.